might not be super simp, so you have to protect. So you're probably gonna fall. So yeah, hard shell. Always bring a hard shell. Multiple hard shells. I bring multiple hard shells. Aluminum foil. I use this maybe even more than newsprint now. I learned about this from Cornish Minerals. There's a video from John Cornish that I'll provide a link to in the description or in a comment. Figure it out. So, slight variation on the Cornish foil technique. I'll pull out maybe 2 feet, 3 feet. 3 feet's fine. I like satin side up because it's easier on my eyes. There could be a scientific reason. I don't know. I'm going to start from a corner, aiming up kind of towards the other corner, but not quite. Making a hollow in the middle, maybe a manicotti. Rolling it carefully. Rolling it carefully. I'm going to show you how careful. Hollow. Totally hollow. No wrinkles if you can help it, actually. I try and actually keep all the wrinkles out. Try and make it smooth. If I had a... Ooh. Bring a paper towel, cardboard, insert, and wrap it around that. And you got it gold, probably. So, hollow. I like it. Kind of hollow. And I'll bring that crystal over. And I'll see how it might fit in its orientation. We're going to orientate it straight down. Just because if we were to go on either end with weight, it'll just be pounding on the weight, and there's points on that end. There's points on the other end too, so we're not going to push down on it this way. You have to pick a bottom, actually. Always pick a bottom, but this one has a beautiful bottom. We're going to put it straight down in it like that, a little bit sideways. Maybe I'm going to put it down like this, sideways. Okay, so we're going to build up a base on the bottom. A little bit of a base. I lied. I'm going to use a little bit of newspaper now. Just wrinkled newspaper. It's going to be random wrinkled newspaper now. So I don't really have that ready. So, newspaper. Next, I'm going to, just because you have to make something work, I'm going to fold that in half. Stick it in. Next, I'm going to grab another sheet of aluminum foil. This one I already had almost rolled up. That's okay. You can use it again. Recycling is good. Roll it from the corner, keeping your hollow. This isn't super fragile, so I won't be totally worried about creating ridges in the foil. If it was super fragile, I don't know if I'd do the ridges, but here we go. Orientate it the correct way. Start the wrap with the hollow at the bottom. Maybe I can show you like that, like this. Wrap it straight around, just like it'll fit down in. See how that's going to work so far. That's going to work pretty good so far. Let's try that right now. So we're going to push that gently down on our hollow, folded in half aluminum foil, which are on the folded, evenly set newspaper. We're just going to make some more calzones or burritos or wherever you're from. Much nicer. I'm just going to roll from a corner. Roll from a corner. Ooh, that's working better. Consistently refine your own techniques. Never be okay with what you got unless it's perfect and golden. And if it's golden, keep it. Okay. See these corners kind of need some more filling. I'm gonna push it down into it actually, just a little bit. Crank it over. Oh, creating an edge. Make sure that edge goes into a corner. Make sure your edges go into the corner. If you have fragile crystals, I'm going to push down on that a little bit. Set it again. Nice. Let's do that one more time. It's okay. There's no problems. Who knows? We'll just do shiny side in this time. Just because. There's no real rules. It's a great quote. Happy little accidents. Happy little accidents often help you in the mineral collecting world. Finding the rays of light. All right. Oh yeah. Just like that. Now we're getting somewhere. So you can see I could fill it in all the rest of the top of the way. And just kind of scrunch it down a little bit, not too much. Each time scrunch it down a little bit, not too much. Layer it, layer, think layer, layer, more layer, lid, tape, zip ties, whatever you got, tape, zip, and close. Add a second one, continue. Thank you. Please subscribe.